Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to sign up on GiddyUp. So the first step is to simply go to GiddyUp.com, and then what you're going to have to do is simply click on marketing partners, and then you're going to get redirected here. And basically what you're going to have to do is simply click on see how it works. And as you can see here, you can see how GiddyUp works, and basically you can see all the benefits and everything. Now in order to create your account, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on apply to be a marketing partner, and then you're gonna get redirected here where you're gonna have to simply click on apply. And then here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter some information about you, so your first and last name, and then enter your email address. I'm gonna enter mine really fast, and then here you're gonna have to enter your mobile number and basically add more personal information, and that's all you have to do in order to sign up on GiddyUp. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.